We would just like to say that for tonight, we are just going to stick to questions about his career as a UFC fighter because that's what he's here for and that's what we're here to listen to. So we apologize in advance if we are not able to get all of your questions. Again, we will just stick to questions regarding his career. Thank you.
Okay, kanalom tutu panel discussion talk lai question masabik Joshua, welcome home, welcome to the community. Atu bentukin krifa bupi ni community pi ni minau pi ni tay nak na pu nak chunga upapek nak le lompi nak penito apiak ni hi zaitinda na hu ningse. What does it mean to you?
Masabika bentukin te komigrami kami punne celebration bentuk event hana bukan to pe mi kamu te heng kai ma za tlukunda zoom chin ak thin long kha ka pe ka tila chun ma long salon za tlukunda thla chamen na ka bo mi kalai mi phun he tampien ti mi he ka thai tika kai ma cha tha jang tampi ga lak chin te heng ka lom tuk sang san na za te chunga
Hello
Joshua the field advan dikha si namin tak he lai min van boy thong te the fearless he holi dan po jitinda fearless na nim jitinda sinang chimkom
the fearless he kaima ten ka kaima ten ka se ka kamin ka team mi se kitila cho
anak ruang zo
se zelo ashram thok karak thong ka hen the savage te kan au ne ka thong dan ne rak chim paro acha se kan the savage ka karak du bakla wa ka kamin rak thango ketelong nan du lo makan kematen show ka zau right now the fearless timi pa ka mu machun kema ka thodan ka van zau ti kan ti thailo te ka van ti te ma min ka kor ka lak be nak se
Wow, okay.
Pakate hal nak tak kalu hal pakate mipi ni rakhal bukla timi cho vai khat Roy Val hen na tein huwa kan koram min temi lar tak minu ba lo pin ali son tak na law ngai narwas ngai atu I chakti le sinu hinte na ne chodil changmo son ding na tu he ali son tar son hamadi ka ali ha bis
tila mitam tung ni thaya chun song loi tila chu
Wow, what a great questions. The first question was regarding your name, The Fearless. So the question was, how did you come up with the Fearless name? And Joshua, you responded with, at first you were called the Savage?
Yes.
Wow, he was called the Savage because of his fighting style. And he decided, maybe that was a little bit too extreme. And after watching the show, you named yourself The Fearless, correct?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Next question, please.
Tuzan lay biakan ruwa kan chibi chunga UFC flyweight championship level tiang pakho nak ning cha discipline zone lai how sacrifice how commitment zone tha te lai how te hi level pakha phak nak ding cha zai sacrifice na to mi da har big zai tlok im da har tok um cha se ti ben tu ruwa cha
si harnak katon miherak tampi te asham thokrak thokka hen soisal tu jong tampi rak ketila chun kaimazong kha zekitila rian karak tuan bu khang kato sitiga khan zekitila rian jong kha tuan tuk khanga velo ketila chute full time in kan chasing ka sitiga kanu ne khan dream na chasing siko chun idin lo kem na gambom la rakate era katite akan zagatila ke mazong chorian ka chuake karakchin na te khan soisa tu khan rak tamai papa fangkat se tha thu to anu late jong bom na la te ben tu kasite akan ke mala ke mazong ka rian ka ton la tangka nga la kanu late ka chom na la te ben tu khan rian ka kir than machun ka phok than ka kir than te ben tu khan se ka laklo nak chang ngong tampi kitila cha na khan kanu la kanau la katupate jong khe tu akzau chonga mate akhente motivation tampi kalak kanu jong na katilang mo micho na tin mi si chun su lolo mate khana kate ke ma jong จานสาวปีราลอนเต้ประเทศชากุมหิชงUFC กุมพันเขามาคันนั่นคือจำเป็นนาท้องตัวเจ้าfull time ก็ตัวเขาจัง
เราส่วนตัวเห็นตัววลัยจุ่มปุ่มเปียกันมีผลลองสลองเอเชียอาบิกินโกรัมบาร์มาและลายมีนเห็นกันสตาร์บัคเซ่เลยจุ่มปีมีจนมีเซ่จุลองสลวินตัวอินเดียรามาเห็นมิโซรัมกันตีกาจุนกันมีผลตั้มปีกันมามีผลหอยมิโซกันตีมีหาจุนตัวราซามีจงตั้มปีนุ่มหน่ายจุนหาจงนี่จุนอันนี้เดียร์คำอันนี้วิยาตุยตีนักมันหูแต่นล้อมตักอาบิกินมิโซรัม Chief Minister อลูบิกจน support เลย Minister ตีเตียมหาที่มีเสจนอัน MP ประคัดจงเนี่ยอันมา social media ข้องบักลมพีนัก statement คาถาที่นั่นเทียร์มิโซรัมพี่จงนี่เห็นอันนี้ลบพี่ตักจู่ๆอันมามีพี่จงเห็นไทยแต่ละไทยที่จงกระดูกไงอันมามีพี่สินะที่แต่ชิมลูกมิมมั้งอัน Chief Minister เสอันมา Sport Minister
อามามิจาวเลยเนี่ยถ้ากันเปียกมีเหตุเกิดมาจากตรงสุ่งลอยตุกจนอามาsport minister ตรงนี้คันรักชนต้น you know เจ้าเราคันไว้ขัดไว้หิจกันนิชนคัน sport นักให้กระจายสุ่งลอยบักก็มาตรงมาตัวอาหารมีกันเสลากันทีละจุดเตะลายมีลายมิจาวเลยก็มาตรงการราชาน้ำก็จะทีละกันขวดตั้มพิจารณาที่ก็มามีผลมันตุกเข่งกับหูไว้ก่อนหาทีละจุดที่ก็ถ้ากันเปียกนักให้กระจายสุ่งลอยตุกชง
Thank you. And the next question, this is for our younger generations, and they asked this on Instagram. They said, what motivated you to start competing in the UFC? Or what motivated you to become a fighter?
What motivated me was my auntie Mio. You know, I was always in trouble. You know, I was always fighting in the street and things like that. And one day, you know, I got home from fighting and I got bruises on my face and things like that. So my auntie was all right, come here, sit down, let's have a talk. And you know, she was like, hey, you think you a real man? And I was like, yeah, I never lost a fight, you know. She was like, nah, that's not what a real man do. You know, a real man fight for his country, his family. Look at Manny Pacquiao, man. You know, he fight for his country. And that was the night that changed my mindset and everything.
What an amazing journey. Thank you.
Championship level tiang hakho nak ding cha zoom nak pathian na bo chan nak sa sa chun the family the community lai in tha za pek nak zai
I might not look like it, but I pray a lot, you know. Allah look raksul le te na zon ka vela zon thak cham ko. Oi pa ma pa ka vela ka ti pa ko te phon ma. Thak cham ngai zai ka to lai po hen ma te he pathian na ka do te zai ka to lai po thak cham thil su ka to sa thil thak to thak cham ma ting man hen akabom ngai ting ko ro chun nichim man tuk chun ko mi phun ko hoi le po zong ne te ka nu la ka pa zong ne thla kan champiak la mong rong su ro te ko ron
Joshua na video zong kan tok zo biak ina solo na sak nak zong kan hu I case chunga te na kai zong thana cham ta kan hu la mo tu na gan chim ban tuk thia je tuk na bo chen I min tampi hi chu kan zoom na khe kan ka long kan veina na tak tak kan lang ta lom hi practical kan to lom hi tampi me nang ma na zoom na ka hin fel tin na tu mi thil pan hi zai hi da zoom tu na sip ve ban tukun tam bi ni chon ok tha de na ro nang ma ni pel lo ten fel tin na tu la mong thil pan hi chimo la kan ni mo
fel tin ka to la mong mi hi chu zai ki tilai ni fitin ka to mi he cha ok chung ka tiel zai rong adam hi ka to decision thil tha ka to sa thil che ka to sa zangki la ken cha ka te mi ke ka check than lang mang ma te ken thil tha ka to si khan chun ka nuam ka tilai chu thil che ka to khan chun zai luk ka nuam ko zong zangki la cha kon te khan ni hin he zai men ka to chung lo ti mi reminder pakhat ta khen kam han chun pan hi nak chu zai luk thil ka tua la ka zelo zonga zangki la heti bentuk chun thil pakha pakha ka tua la ken chun tla ka chom long ma pan hi se big ro te ro
chun pakhat te ma he pe tlai en ke ma ka theina ka atuliao kan mi no tam pi he rena tron na en zoom tu ni chun pe chan na te cheu ha cheu ka ti bentuk te na he kan rian bak chu sa ko nangma a hin te ke ma ka zoom na ka bentuk nak zoom nak lai no fel tak tak bentuk te nangma hi nangma da diam huna dia le chemo
si cheu khat kong he chu kanu mio sa kanu se akan sik peng vi se like sik dilem chute ka te hen kanu mio na chu zelawa na chu te lai te ke athok man ka thok lan kan champion na si te lai hi bentuk tangka na ngai te lai hi ti ka hen cheu ka te pe lomang ti mi he akachim lomang chung kanu zong he ma he ma sabi ka chim mi se cheu ka pek ti mi he kan zakatila ke ma ka si kho tok te chung cheu ka te zetik man atlol ka du lo
cha kano
to he online rakrami question policy kum zaiza nasin da hi bentuk thut na king na thok chun api mi chu when are you going to retire
thut karak thok chu training karak thok 2018 France ro te and thut tak ka thok chu 2020 kan bitak te training la ithu tram ka thok tak he se retire so it depend on people cuz kan division he tu he minungan ngai minos tela chu si kholos la weight class ngum kai tela manu kan zau tela
okay so wan atua anu big panjova hen na thong liawi kan zau te ka 20 second na te so nai thok lai hong khan ti phan nak mo ji bentuk phun tal nei mo chun an chui e nai phit te khan aphak mo khan chui mi khan kheng lo zai tin kha na toi ma khan nam ti ka zero da thu ko mi khan nam chol lo te khan ban thin hang pa ma kha hong te tom bo ka chim thik na man feeling kha hong phang e na ban choi na ban tek hong hang feeling
si pento chen kan ni thong lai he ka thin phang bak lo oi dang ban tu lo ka ngai tuk sung sung ni thong lai he ka ngai bak chun kai ma ha nei deu mi po chu ka chim ton na zai ti mana ka tai kho na ding lamum lo te like ka chin nak dan la zai ke Harbik se katila chakte training camp tin hakum dan te Harbik se kai ma jong ka training to na ka zoom katila chun aka chui ka cho ka phet man katila cho to pal te ka thon man te ka na fak tuk lo na ka ke ka chui mal te ka fangai so yeah ma te khasi ko we ze katila ka thong la katia khan ze katila akutin khan aza chang te ama na ka pia dialogy pa step plan khan ma te khan kai jong kha confuse pa katila cho ma khan dialogy pa ra tin khan adi te ka fiang mi se.
What a great question, and I think everybody probably wants to know your answer to that again. So I'll just ask you again, and if you can repeat it in English, that would be great. So how is your feeling before you were in the ring when you were about to fight? Oh my gosh, I forgot his name. Because you won, yes, that guy, yes. How was your feeling? And the question was, I think he kicked you, or did that kick touch your face? Did it touch anywhere? What happened? So take us down that road.
See, he asked me if I was nervous for that fight, but I was very, very excited for that fight. There's no nervousness, things like that. I believe in my work, the work that I put in that camp. And so, when he kicked me, I kind of slipped a little bit, so, it didn't touch me clean. So, you know what I mean? It didn't really hurt, but when he kicked me in my calf, yeah, that one hurt. That one hurt a lot, So, but then, I was going ground and pound him, but he was showing me that, he don't want to do it no more. So, that's the reason why I stopped.
Next na thut ding mi gong afyang chang mi na kan chip ko mi on lai ma
Next fight kong he afyang lo, but whoever can get it.
question was, who or where or when is going to be your next fight? And the answer is,
whoever, anywhere, anytime, whoever.
โอเคkawan hal sabtu mi cho tua number 1 2 3 ai termina he panjova cho adam na dam logan fiang lo te number pati nak manel khap minak ilupa kha chunhua khaira te kina pan hi zai deu hi da chance ni la te nu an man challenge tu dinga
Kaima ka du ka team na chun an panhin zang ka zonga thong ka du ka na
UFC เนี่ยตีดิงปกดสิไล
tu kaima ni chun matchmaker chu you know ka chon ko nan zai thong pa fiang pa kham ha ka chim lo te kan ama no si ka ti lai chu para atu kaima ka du na kan chun du ning lo pinto chu tha ten recover ko silo ra than silo no ama kan ka du natin asithang la ka zum lo matika Maneo or Tara pakaching chang sa teko la
zai juk tuan da kan hi thum ngo si dai mo achan he
Thai
pakate ban hal sap ka lu mi ju pakai we ya atua nalu tika khande atui kan koram Burma flag kha na sok tika koram pumpi zong kan lom koram pumpi vale chung pumpia na kan theitar nak zong na tu ai na chimi interview pakai khamu mi ju ma hi koram flag I or lupi kho nak dinga fak ngai na zomi namhu mi sti ka si ko zai to khap da si chun ta chun na ka tua US citizen zong na si koram na si ka US flag saloin koram flag na be na kha nang madu thim ma si mo kanang ma zai tin da si ti mi de kha chimok thamim mo
se hi koram alang ka thim na ka chute ke mazom ka thi ka bloodline kan kalsin ko rami kasi chun te ka ma lai rami kasi chun UFC he tiban tu kan ro na matuk silo kya promotion ngan tuk mi city ka kente flag ten ha he du pong ken nga lo tila chu matia hen koram he koram ala ne he ka hoi pa du khora zong he ko ma he you know I was telling them on my first fight was asking them to bring my flag and they didn't let me you know flag kending akan kan rakhal na kay mazong ni flag ka ken ne mahi ala ne ka ken la ka te zai kho de sin te Myanmar si ka ten ha Myanmar chu country ma si akan te an thailo country si ka te Google he nam hulo ma ka te na Google ka pian na okay selawa cha kaning apyak la kan te ka thot la kan ka lan chu te locker room tiang ka ken ne ka chu pi hi kan du lo kan chu ka vai ni na ka thon na khan ka ken chan nga lo anga an te ka chu la kan chu than vai thum na ka khan akan chu thiam vai li na zong khan kan chu a vai nga na khan cha kan chu lo ma te ka khan zekitila kama ukar te khan Myanmar flag te ka cha ma te ka khan zaitik maning kan koram alang ka ken timi kan thai kho ding sitilo ga tilai cho ma kha post interview kan halte kan kalang tar ma valai pumpi thai tar in kan zang fa te ka flag ra ken tar te ka vun ti kan mi pi zong kham vun aw ve ga tilai cho ma nu long en hi koram alan he kan putar mi se
pakhat te ma he pe tai ba ta lok du chu tha thok kan long koram ayo na ban kan lang tar mi kha aho po kan lom di ipakhat te lai mi hi kan ban that phun nak chu volei chung mi phun tlom te hi tok pi kan sanain volei chung stake ngan tak baka hidin na kan phak pi kan du ni nga chu kan lai holte na kan lai pa kwa tin ha kan te ga han chu di kan do ji ma chana chu silo le kan lai pun tin ha ma vai khat phok te tal he Balang kau seperti kan dulu kami kita jangan kau ding semua atau le cimman tu kan rikian mi umcuar luang la.
Kecimman kan.
Cimman tu kenal kau hamo.
Kau saya ketila kayak macam kasu mete atau kecimman tu kan UFC saya ketika kan isuk mitil te poke. Cualah nak kan piadi masa setika mana sen mi ke naten te. Kaban apa vokok pani kasu ko celai mi kesina langkau selama.
Saya atau le tekan lai miประเทศนั้นกันโดดที่สิบจังไรกันลง
See.
ตุจุชันเปียนสิจังจ้า online question รามิซู What is something you want to do with since you have a big name?
Is it enough?
What is something you want to do with since you have a big name?
I just want to defend my belt as of right now, and you know, the goal is to open a gym for my people. You know what I mean, the people. So, but as of right now, defend the belt. You know, become one of the greatest of all time, and then, you know, build this young generation of Burmese, Chin, Hakka, and things like that. You know, let's go.
That's amazing. And you said that you wanted to build training or like a gym for the younger generation. So if you were to do that, where will it be?
See, where Dallas will be the first, and then it got to be here too, you know. So that's where all the people, my community, you know what I'm saying. So Dallas for sure, and then we'll see if we can build one here too.
That's amazing. You heard it, guys. Hey, he might start a gym here. So watch out. There we go. I love the energy.
Okay, Joshua, atu hibantukin tainak namudigahin tuakan palazong simbantuk impact merang khosinte abigin minaw chungahin impact angan tak tu zazong na zawi zeitlokinda kan lungtho mu kanilom nang mazong na simbantuk na phak kamerang khosong na siam lo siangin zonga buli hibantuk mu ti sam na ton ta harnak tam pinatong nang ma sa isu nak ne hak tu dir mun sok lawin lampi ale sul nak hanak sina tong khosong se chuban tukin India na sa dala sa minaw tampi chungkhar financial li tamtin lo ronga mo pakhat khat alai astakal mi tampinom zeitu ok thailo nang ma tuk na zongin buli rak tong mi tampinom me tu tan minaw kan minaw na sina hen zeida becha da ru minham mo zeitu inda berga kan praktika nang ma zong tampi na rak ton nak experience kan minaw na sina hen betal encourage pun mo sa du min mo
See, becha kadu mi chite ke mazong US krak phakahen struggle te trouble tampi krak tong zakatila siang ten hazonga bully rak tong tilai chite bully tontika we have to fight back and things like that, you know. And in the process of doing that, you know, we enjoy the attention, right, of fighting in school and fighting on the street and things like that. So like lam tampi kan kaldu lo na kena kan shoi mi ke tampi te ke hoi thalo do zong kan hang out chan zong tampi chen thil so kan to du lo mi kan to chan zong tampi ki tilai chu ma ti ken ke chan tampi chu khoi ka zo na da dir mun na kan dir be lai ti mi ke thai lo in khoi ka de da ka lai ti ke abna bia khoi kai khala ma ti hoi kom dang he kan ti ka bia kan lai ka pe la ka ti ka bia kan hoi lo pol ne kom kan du ti lo phun nangan si chang khatalaya ka komla tia khan la lung nom di khanum ve phone lo ma tika khan te abe pi bi ke kai ma chim ka du mi che tin mi ngai mi he kan hau ti mi he ka du chen tin mi ngai he che tin mi ngai lo mi na kan hin chen kan tha de shim ko tin mi ngai emo ma kan tin mi ngai mi kha tha ten chase te ma chen kai ma jong che chim ka kal hang ke I don't know where I belong tilai chite khoi ka zona na kadir mun city mi ka thailo chim ka kal nuin khan mi po zong ka kan accept ka tilai cho ma wan to king kan dream kan chase tika chun dream kan ngai ete tin mi kan ngai si khan chun ka ma zong ke khoi ka dir mun na kan kal kholai ti mi ke fiang meong kan ni thailai chun cha chi ka du mi cho ka ma younger generation lo slow nu la pa cha zong he se nam fa le te ni thil pakhat pakhat kan zo man ti chun thâu lòng hay thòng tục lao thả bẹc giống hay thòng bao nụ lập pa giang phát thì cần nôn mình hả sẽ cần nào lẽ sang thở bộ lẽ thả bẹc tuôn hen bom lòng mang con hả sẽ thì mình biết chắc cần du chín hả.
Thank you so much. One last question, because unfortunately we are coming to the end. One last question is, what do you have to say to your fans?
Thank you so much. Thank you for the love and support. I'll always fight for you guys. You guys will see the best Joshua of my next fight.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is your Joshua Vaughn, Fearless Vaughn. Thank you.